It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 27th of June. I'm Michael Groff. Seasonably hot conditions here in the valley today. We'll see a bit of a warming trend as we go into tomorrow and the weekend. Some clouds may sneak in here as well as just a little bit of moisture comes in. The forecast turns decidedly more interesting as we head out toward the end of the forecast period late next week. Let's get into it. First, the Almanac from yesterday. 104 degrees, the high in the valley, 78, the morning low. Pretty close to seasonal averages, and there you see that all-time record high of 122 back on June 26, 1990. Outside right now, here after 8 o'clock, we are under clear skies out there and 84 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 39. Humidity 20%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 70s and 80s for most of us. A pretty typical start to a late June morning. The upper air look, we've got a trough just off the Pacific Northwest coast, ridging to the east, a broad southwesterly flow between that, so dry air continues to be the dominant story here across the Southwest. In fact, much of the western United States, and that's why on the watch warning map you see all these red flag warnings, the fire weather watches. A very high fire danger continues. It is that time of the year, the dry season. We have a severe thunderstorm watch for a good portion of eastern Minnesota this morning, including the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings have occurred there as well. Convective outlook for today, the enhanced risk of severe storms from around Helena over toward Glasgow, Montana, as well as around Minneapolis-St. Paul, Madison, Wisconsin. The standard slight risk for the adjacent areas there. The marginal risk extends from the interior west, the northern mountains, the northern Rockies, all the way east through the central Great Lakes, and a couple of other marginal risks out there as well. The precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley, nothing. Statewide, some light precip possible in extreme eastern Arizona. And we'll get into the details of what is an increasingly interesting forecast as we take a look at the models now and check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our old summertime friend, the 594 subtropical ridge off to the east, the trough to our north and west. The southwesterly flow continues, so down at the surface, sunny skies, a seasonably hot day today. Highs 103 to 106. Tonight, clear skies, lows 70s to near 80. And tomorrow we'll tack on a couple of degrees. We'll start the day out sunny. We'll see some increase in high clouds late in the day as just a little bit of moisture starts to sneak in as that ridge holds on off to the east and pumps in just a bit of moisture. We'll see highs getting close to 110 in the warmest deserts. Now, Saturday, I think will be a mix of sun and clouds. In fact, maybe more clouds than sun by the afternoon. Again, mid and high level clouds and widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible over eastern Arizona with that subtle moisture tap that we have going on. The clouds might hold down the heat ever so slightly. Highs 105 to 108 for Saturday. Partly sunny on Sunday. Highs 106 to 110. Same thing for Monday, as an isolated shower or storm over extreme eastern Arizona can't be ruled out, but most of the precipitation will stay to our east. All right, let's go ahead and check out Tuesday, and we might see those upper heights come down ever so slightly. So temperatures come down ever so slightly. Highs between about 105 and 108, maybe 104 to 107 or so for Wednesday. Again, mostly sunny skies. Then going out to a week from today, this is Thursday, the 4th of July. As we start the long holiday weekend, we've got a ridge setting up to the east, and this is looking fairly typical for early July. More of a southerly and southeasterly flow. Some moisture might start to increase. Highs pretty close to 110 if this verifies. Then going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 6th. We're in the middle of that holiday weekend now. And we've got the ridge to the east, southeasterly flow increasing, and look at that. The GFS says, hey, it looks like it's about time for the monsoon to get set up. Widely scattered late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms over eastern Arizona. Maybe those start to make their way towards south central Arizona. Keep in mind, this is 10 days out, though, so a lot is likely to change between now and then, but this, climatologically speaking, makes sense for about the start of our summertime rainy season. Let's check out those temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble. Highs, 110 plus. The ensemble probably just a little bit too warm, although I wouldn't be surprised if, especially tomorrow, we did sneak up well above 110. especially, again, in the hottest desert locations. We'll just have to see about moisture availability and how much cloud cover we actually get. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a fantastic Thursday.